Hello, this is a tutorial video that will be showing you how you can automatically generate questions from your lecture notes using the multi-choice question generator. So to start, we'll first be making use of the CBTQ manager. We can get on that by typing this URL on your browser, manager.cbtq.app. Once this page comes up, input this exact email and password, as that is the only way to get access into this system. But before I continue, let me tell you the inspiration behind this application. As you know, multi-choice questions are easy to mark but difficult to set. And using Bloom's taxonomy, we see that a student's knowledge of a particular subject is measured by how much of keywords pertaining to that subject the student is familiar with. So, with this AI question generator, questions are generated based on keywords on a particular subject, and this can help learners of all levels to improve on their word fluency on a particular subject of study. So back to the video. After logging in successfully, the first thing you should do is click on courses. Then click on this plus button to add a course. Fill up every required field and then you save. After that, click on session. Click the year. Click on this new button to add exam. Fill in all the other details. Now, note that your question count shows the number of questions you want the students to see while taking your text or exam. Go ahead to save. On that same page, click on the course that you just added. Next, click on questions. This particular button here is the one we are interested in, where you can automatically generate questions. The new button allows you to just import already existing questions. Like you already have your question typed in your Word document. You could just click on this and then import. Click on this button, use the editor. This will take you to another page, which is the CBTQ sign up page. Fill in the details accordingly and correctly, then click on sign up. The next page asks you to input your password. Once you're here, you will have to create a course. It should be the same with the one you created earlier. After that, you save. Next, click on courses. Next, click on CBTQ generator. Input the initial email and password used to access the page. Click on this plus button. Fill in the course title and then drag your notes into this space. Either you drag your notes or you click to upload. Note that your notes can either be in a text format or PDF format. After generating, go back to exams, fill in the details required, then click on the course. Click on these three dots here. Select import from bank. Select the course you just added. From this point, the system has generated question suggestions for you, so you can go ahead to select the ones you want. After selecting as many as you want, you click save. After saving, if you need to edit some of the questions, you can do that by clicking on this edit button. Once you're done, you export. Note, your total questions in exam should be more than total questions per student. This will allow the system to be able to shuffle the questions among your students. If not, it will not be exported. And also, while exporting, remember to take note of the location of where you're exporting your file to, so that you can easily locate it. When you're done with that, go back to the CBTQ manager. Click on control. Scroll down to question pool. Click new. Name it default and set to 100. You can cross-check your question count, your duration and mark score. After that, go back, click on questions here. Click the three dots, click this. Make sure that it is selected as default. Click import to enable you to upload the question file that you saved earlier. When you're done with that, go back and click on students. Click these three dots, click import, and then upload the file that contains your student's name and reg number. And the file should be in this exact format with these exact headers. After that, you have your student. You can always cross-check your questions just to be sure. Then go back to control and start exam. Once this is done, the student can see the exam from the CBTQ client. For you to get to the client app on your browser, just type client.cbtq.app. The student inputs their reg number, follows the prompts and instruction, and goes ahead to take the exam. From your CBTQ manager, go back to reports and you will be able to see your students' performances. You can click this generate results button at the end of the exam to get all your students' results. Remember to stop the exam once you're done. Quite interesting, yeah? Yes. Try this out and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.